What's happening? I feel floaty.
No! I don't want to go!
I was all alone, so high up. Hey there, little guy! Welcome to the cloud! It's awesome up here, but you just gotta let go. Hey there, little fella! Come on in. The party's just getting started.
Hey there! Don't be scared, it's amazing up here! I'm doing it! I'm really doing it!
This is called condensation. We all stick together.
Wow! I'm getting bigger!
See? This is it. We're getting heavier, tighter. Soon we'll join up and fall back down. It's amazing! We're getting heavy. You know what that means? It's almost time to go back down. It's not about disappearing, Dewey. It's about the journey. We go up, we come down together.
Dewey, look! It's time to go home!
Ready for the big drop? I'm ready!
Whoa! Look at me!
I wasn't disappearing. I was part of something beautiful. And I was finally on my way home.